Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Red End Kitchen. Today we go to Asia. Today we visit another country. It's summer, right? And I go on vacation too. So it was a pleasure. But there is my flight. I have to go. Ciao tutti belli. Alessandro, where are you going? We have to cook. We cannot leave here our followers. We have to cook something, Sandro. Sorry guys, I'm going to pick him up. Oh, okay, don't be so rude. Okay. That guy, what a guy. And of course guys, I cannot leave without cooking something for you. Then I will go. We start immediately. We have a special recipe. Sweet and sour pork with pineapple. Huh? Cose di lusso. To all my Asian friends, don't kill me. I did my best. I'm very satisfied with the result. So we start with the ingredients. We have diced pork ready. If you have the entire piece, then you can cut in cubes. It's the same. And then for the marination, we have the rice vinegar, a bit of soy sauce, black pepper, and a mix of nuts. Now, my Asian friends would kill me because the traditional recipe requires the potato starch and the egg, because then they fry and they make sort of butter pork. But I wanted something lighter. I didn't want to fry the pork. That's why this version. So you can decide which way are you. I'm a lighter person in this period where it's very hot, and therefore this is the kit for my little pork. Then for the sweet and sour sauce, they are the ingredients. We have tomato concentrate, raw sugar, flour, and water. Water is like in the water and the water. And as vegetables, we have red pepper, spring onions, and one beautiful pineapple. And according to their tradition, the colors, the ingredients are not a coincidence. I think the same. You know, when you have this balance of colors, the result is beautiful, is gorgeous. Yes. So, like no other words, and we start the preparation. So, first of all, we marinate our pork. We take the nuts. We chop coarsely. Then we take our bowl with the pork and we pour our mix of nuts, black pepper. In this case we have 400 grams of pork, 2 spoons of rice vinegar, 2 spoons of soy sauce. We mix everything and we leave for the time of the other preparation, let's say. The longer, the better. While it rests, We take our pepperoni and we cut them. They said cut in equal part, and this is what I did. Look, it's perfect. There is no time I follow precisely a recipe. No way. But the important is the love you put in. Take our beautiful spring onions and in a sweet way we cut them. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. They are ready. And then we have our sweetheart, our pineapple. In this case, you need to be a bit aggressive because it's hard to cut a pineapple. For this reason, I took a serrated knife, not a normal knife as everyone, but this special knife, because you know it's like when you brush the hair to your girlfriend, to your wife. So you need to be precise, to be kind, gentle. That's me while cutting the pineapple. So just cut the external skin, and then once you remove it, you take it, the whole piece, and with cloth you cut into slices. Ah, mamma mia. And then same principle, equal parts. And of course I'm following the rules, guys, of course, like I'm following the rules, baby, huh? And now everything is ready. We can prepare our sweet and sour sauce. It's the most delicate part. If you make a mistake here, you cannot go to Asia. They won't allow you to enter the border. So be careful, guys. Simply, we prepare all our ingredients and we take a pan, but you can use a fried pan as well. So we pour the water, then I will leave all the quantity in the description. Important, let the sauce reduces, because the result it's creamy. Let it goes for a while. Meanwhile, this is an important step. Our Asian friends said is to take the flour and melt it. Why? To prevent lumps from forming. That's the reason why they mix and melt all the flour in that part of the process. And now you can see that when the sauce is reduced, we pour slowly our flour, and we continue mixing. And as you can see, the result is it's good. I think I need like a judge from Asian friends, but the consistency seems okay. So now we take a fried pan. We turn our flame on, and when the pan is warm, we add our pork. Looking at the size of the pork, a couple of minutes, the time to toast every side, we remove from the flame. We want a juicy result inside, no, because we don't want to overcook. We put seed oil, just a bit, same principle of before, and when it's hot enough, we add all our ingredients and we fry them for a while, but not long, really maybe 5 minutes. Also it depends on the size you cut them, but important is to keep them the consistency of each element. And when it's almost ready, we pour our sauce, and here is the magic. Here, when all the flavors are embracing each other and they are combining, they are releasing all these amazing perfumes. And then when we see that everything is well connected, we add our pork. Less than 1 minute, really 30 seconds, and we remove from the fire. Little trick: you can pour at the end just a bit of seed oil, olive oil, to give brightness to the dish. This is a secret from my Asian friend. And we go to the decoration. I would say take a big plate, because this is a recipe for 4 people. Like, we are at home, we want to enjoy, we want to put this dish in the middle of the table and enjoy with our company, right? Just put there, and also, as I did, keep a bit of soy sauce, also for giving a bit more saltness to the dish, based on your taste, your wishes. And guys, enjoy this beautiful and amazing Asian recipe. Imagine this dish, the consistency, the softness of pineapple, its acidity and sweetness at the same time, with the crunchiness of pepperoni, nuts, and this amazing sweet and sour sauce. Really unusual flavor to what is my culture, to what is my normal cuisine. And guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. I will leave here the link for the subscription, and see you next week. Ciao a tutti!